Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a holy faith before me get me locks on.
Me can't eat one pepper. It's hot. Pepper,
Yeah.
hot man.
Ready,
All the skin me I eat.
Jesus.
Me feel like me I eat the seed.
You could never eat this.
No.
After you
Pepper
done talk about firewood.
You want next
Skinny
pepper?
looks like you want a challenge with
Pepper.
the pepper.
Yes, me could say who can do challenge with the pepper. Me
Who
go
can-
first.
who
Come
can-
on,
Yeah.
Oh, man, me enough.
Give me the green one.
Come, see man.
One time I do that, then I will never do it again.
Ready?
Ready?
You ready?
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 Hey!
You eat the seed.
Yeah, if you see lucky. I see the item.
Yo, my people, listen, I'm your boy, Skinny Sophie True. True. How would I?
Don't be ass. We don't know Dre we stay and do it same way all day, every day, all night.
Hello, my people. If you never know, now you know. I'm your boy, Skinny Sophie True. True. Welcome to Prolong HD Film, Prolong HD Film, and we want to say enough big up to everyone around the world from every walks of life, guys. Big up on yourself. You know the thing, go. You don't know I'm your boy Skinny Sophie True. This time I want to eat the pepper. What your name? What your name again? I don't remember what your name. You're lucky. Guys, that's Lucky, Sophie True. True.
Lucky's kind of intoxicated.
Who this?
I don't know say Javana is comedy. Back with another big body banger. And I don't know say a camera looking at camera. Guys, remember to subscribe. Guys, remember to watch the ads. Don't skip them. That's the way we make a little revenue. Run it up.
Yeah, Creators Official. All platforms, I don't know, TikTok, IG.
You don't know it's a boy Dre Wiz. You don't know we do it when we do it already. Remember, like, subscribe, share the link, tell a friend to tell a friend. You don't know we do it already all day, every day, all night, every night. Yeah man, go on the thing. Prolong HD Films. Yeah, you don't know we do it already.
Here, Shorty minute. Right, that's all. Shorty come. True, don't.
Yeah.
Prolong HD Film. The team them is out here
Come.
today. Look at Journey right there. So we're going by to the river today. Oh, we are up today.
We're gonna travel in the cave. Let you see some beautiful place in Jamaica that you never seen before.
I'm not going inside of no cave. I'm afraid me cave in.
So as a fire the lamp, guys, we're going in the cave.
Yes.
So if you don't have no light, who not no light? Hey, who not no light? In the cave, you will see
Next
if
thing
you
they
are
go
months
out
away
the
from
Yo. When you were going there, I want big rat bat in there.
Big rat bat?
One big rat bat.
Guys, we're going in the cave. Have you ever been in a cave before? Come on, Bob on us. Everybody, let's go. Go, let's get do it. I know that you can do it. Where are we going?
Into the cave.
Where are we going? In the cave. Where are we going?
Into the cave.
Backpack.
I'm the Copper Ocho.
Who is on the bridge? And you don't know anything, go. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please and thanks, guys. Let's do this. Prolong HD Film. We're doing big and we're doing great. Going to the
This box is gonna work today.
Guys, Lucky is a maroon, so we'll probably see a ghost in the cave today.
Remember say if you rock back in there, I'm a pooper in
Oh, be true.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
If you wanna come
so come on,
over,
guys. Let's go. We're
all you
going
have
in the
to do
cave.
is
Okay, come on, guys. Let's go.
All you have to do is dance. Sound my riddle. Let's go.
Enough love and respect, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's get a new experience. An experience like no other. We're going in the cave.
no, let's
and
be
we are in the
cool,
parish
you know.
of Chilani, Jamaica. You don't know. I'm going to roast them today, guys. So you don't know the
Salted fish.
Salted fish.
Believe the man.
Fish salted.
Salted fish.
Fish salted.
Salted fish.
Fish salted.
A lot
We
of
don't eat
beautiful
salt fish. We
adventure.
eat salt. We eat fish salted. True.
Anyway, you can see him saltfish, you know.
No, there's a difference, guys. It's fish salted. If it's salt fish, it's the pumpkin.
Saltfish.
And we know it
Yo,
pumpkin.
To blast.
I like pumpkin.
Me not like pumpkin. True.
Yo, pumpkin on the
They
side
live a
of
pumpkin shop.
Yo,
Day and
it's
night.
nasty.
True.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Believe.
Teamwork make the dream work.
Oh, this bulla.
My mind a job.
I'm good, man.
You see, I am that brother.
You know watch me.
Yeah, right now, I eat a bulla, right? Now, for true.
Yeah, man, brother.
Big inside that. Yo, welcome.
Come by.
Lock.
Yeah. The back door now. Aisle, missy aisle.
Aisle?
Or bleach. What they did the watch?
Come on, watch.
You ready?
Just make fire. Oh, watch out, when I do a can to make fire. See, stick them here. Watch out, somebody have to empty and they stick down there. Alright. Pan stick down there, we good. You just wait. Nah, go right. I have to do this.
How for birthday?
Because I don't review it.
Happy birthday! Yeah, can bleach? Come.
No one
Can
Come. No worries, me care about you.
Today, birthday? Alive.
Pichu.
And next week a Gigi birthday. Here next week
Next
Sunday
week.
is Gigi.
Your birthday.
What it could be we are ways to sing. What is that one? No, rolling song. Bad boy. Go sing it for them. Bad boy.
You want nobody to live for.
Please don't hurt
the little baby.
You
Bad boy. Let's go, Barbados.
hurt the little baby.
Yeah. Bad boys. I'm your boy, Skinny Sophie True. True.
Naga, where you come from? Please don't hurt the old lady. Bad boys. Yeah? Big up the whole Prolong HD team. Sophie True. Skinny to the world. And I say big up Jay, big up Kyle. Big up everybody. Big up Shanti, big up Pinky, big up Tyrone, big up Lucky, big up Jav, big up Kratos, big up Cam, big up the whole team, yeah? To blast.
Yo, living a pass. No way I do, you know. Go on.
Anybody there?
Hold on there. I could have you for free. I'm gonna know that. Hold on there. This when you go river, by right, you have to help out the lady there. Hold on there, guys.
Me bombshell, no man. Me not pass this. Me not pass this. It's true.
Lucky, you know.
Lucky. That's it. Hey. Lucky, that's it. Lucky.
Let me guess what I can go pick up.
Yeah, come. Hey, Lucky, that's it. Yo, give me soda can.
Give me soda.
I told me not enough.
Welcome to Jamaica where you get apple for free.
What are they? Why we not use stone? No, we don't. A stone if you use and lick off here.
We don't know why we not climb up. Why we not climb up on the tree?
Watch out. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Too light. You're the carrot ready again. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah. 3 more to go. Right, 2 more to go.
Guys, this is how we do it when we're in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Guys, this is how we do it when we're in Jamaica. Come on, guys, let's go.
You know what please?
This is how we do it when we're in Jamaica. Pechocho. Pechocho.
1 clan.
Welcome to Prolong HD. And this is how we do it in Jamaica. We travel to the land. I would say strong. Pechocho. Guys, what do you say? Pechocho. Alright, Pechocho. Where mother there?
my mother, you know?
Where your mother there?
You see
Guys,
your favor me?
guys, that lucky mommy.
You look exactly like me, mommy. Mommy, me love you, you know? A long time you see it in my dream.
So lucky. You know, see your auntie too. See your auntie there.
Oh, me
See your
auntie.
auntie there.
Me auntie. Me love you, you know, me auntie. Me love you like my granny food. You like me too? Oh my God, I feel so overwhelmed. I feel so expressionful, baby. Catch you later here, auntie. Catch you later here, auntie.
Skinny.
Two more, me I sell it to panty.
Skinny. Me socks up on it, box.
Lucky.
Oh God.
You lucky.
Look, you're just in
What are they? Wait, yo.
From the bird nest.
I'm not getting no heads, you know.
What do you mean?
I'm not getting no heads, brother.
Bird nest.
A foot to not get. What you mean? I make it all heads and no my thing and the head thing coming out, use no boot. In our belly.
So skin to skin.
I find the cure for heads, you know. But that's why I go so hard. Because I got the break when I'm a car. Yeah, man.
No, guys, this is a beautiful cave. Let me show you. Hey! What you want to say to the camera, Mr. Kratos?
Thumbnail, fast. Look at it. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Go the back them and everything. Come.
I got that one for your thumbnail. Watch you do thumbnail. Yeah,
Leave.
get your thumbnail.
Thumbnail quick and fast.
Project
Empty. On the journey.
You better be careful of these socks then. Every socks are good socks. But Uncle socks outside.
Pechocho.
You know me
Welcome to
outside.
Jamaica, guys. You know, this is how we do it when we're in Jamaica.
If we don't nice, not true.
You're outside, man.
Yeah, where is it?
Guys, this is it, guys. Welcome to Jamaica. This is your parish, Chilani in Jamaica. You know, we do it when we do it.
Yeah?
How are them going?
Welcome to Chilani.
Yeah?
And the school sticky, you know.
Oh, that's all right.
Uno feel say Jamaica
What
ugly.
up there, so?
Jamaica beautiful to blast. Gazebo. Yeah. Come.
Oh, yeah, Philip.
You're going to
Then they can
Come here to start wash.
Yo.
Oh. Yeah.
This one me a rock. When I can't chat to me, no? A cheap camera, this, you know how much for that phone here? Hold on there. The phone a value and roll in this bank book. Yeah, man.
Yeah? To blast to the world. Talk to the people in the camera. To choo-choo. To blast. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. Sing for them.
Bad boys.
Come. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. You shy? Don't be shy, man. Come. Sing. Look in our camera. Look on him. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. Bad boys. You have nobody to live for. Dog, where you come from? Please don't hurt the old lady. Yeah? To blast.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna gather some sticks now, guys, to roast the yam. You know, we're having roast yam and saltfish today, guys. Yeah. So we're gonna get some roast yam and saltfish, guys. So stay tuned and see what's more. This is what we do. We wash in Jamaica at the riverside.
Yeah?
You know the thing though.
Go on.
Yeah, is it?
Guys, this is it, guys. This is it. Welcome to Jamaica.
Watch it.
This is your parish, Prolong in Jamaica. You know what we do for the beach.
Yeah?
How are them going?
Welcome to Prolong.
Welcome to Chilano, everybody. Chilano.
Yeah, man, that's nice.
Yeah?
Nice place.
And the school sticky, you know.
Oh, that's all right.
Uno feel say Jamaica
What
ugly.
up there, so?
Jamaica beautiful to blast.
Gazebo.
Yeah. Come.
Oh, yeah, Philip. You're going to go
Then they can
Come here
go.
to start wash.
I go up there and come back. Let's sit up the water for
Yo.
Yeah.
This one me a rock. When I can't chat to me, no? A cheap camera, this, you know how much for that phone here? Hold on there. The phone a value and roll in this bank book. Yeah, man.
Yeah? To blast to the world. Talk to the people in the camera. To choo-choo. To blast. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. Sing for them.
Bad boys.
Come. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. You shy? Don't be shy, man. Come. Sing. Look in our camera. Look on him. Bad boys. Please don't hurt the little baby. Bad boys. You have nobody to live for. Dog, where you come from? Please don't hurt the old lady. Yeah? To blast.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna gather some sticks now, guys, to roast the yam. You know, we're having roast yam and saltfish today, guys. Yeah. So we're gonna get some roast yam and saltfish, guys. So stay tuned and see what's more. This is what we do. We wash in Jamaica at the riverside.
Yeah?
You know the thing though.
Go on.
I just saw a ghost, guys! Guys! I couldn't believe it! I saw a ghost! I saw a skinny the pea!
Yes.
Guys, I don't skinny
The
duppy.
famous resting place for the skinny duppy guys. Yes, the skinny duppy lives
no matter
inside
how
the cave over there. So we're gonna visit the skinny duppy gravesite.
Pop with crocodile. Chill.
Get cheese chip on the boat.
Then it's a Jamaica full of history.
Lighter. We want to see some lighter.
Crocodile too. He's bidding. Me not going there.
Kratos, come in.
Yo.
Don't catch it.
Guys, this is the cave.
No.
Guys,
You.
I'm your boy Skinny. I'm taking you across the world where we show you exclusive things that you've never seen before. And we're here in this cave. This is where Skinny Duppy arrived from. Guys. Skinny Duppy guys, look. Come. It's a bit dark. But look guys, this is where we're going today guys. You can see me good? Guys, look. Turn up the light a bit so they can see me properly. Guys, this is where we're going. And we're gonna meet the ourwax and the hyenas in here guys. So we want you to stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and share because we're giving you an exclusive view of what's going on. But we're gonna roast some yam before guys. So if you want to see what roast yam look like with some fish salted, today is the day to watch this video guys. So you know I'm your boy Skinny Suffy True. We're gonna explore this cave today guys. So stay tuned.
Yeah man, Jay is a starting fire, you know?
Man, you don't know what we do it already, you know. We are the fire starters. We start the fire so we can get everything rolling.
You know?
And when we say rolling, just like rolling dice.
Skinny true. What that you have in your hand?
Yo, man, go check me ancestor them on power, yeah?
Rolling.
Yeah, man, I'm going to link up my ancestor them on power.
How you are going?
Yeah?
Yo, wait for me. What she look?
Oh, shot so tight. No? Put that light, yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Don't know it go. You know it go when it go. The true.
Guys, speak on that documentary.
Yeah. Guys, what you think? If you know this place, leave a comment in the comment section and tell us where it is in Trulani.
Which part of it?
For true. Trulani, Jamaica, your place.
And if you would like to see we incorporate this place in our movie,
Leave a comment.
comment down below. You don't know.
Crocodile is getting
He can jump out of the
Tell that be like.
And they bright man.
Stone.
Yeah man, so we are the fire starters.
This is how we start the fire.
Yeah man, this is how we start the fire. We light some plastic.
No man, oh.
Yeah, man, we light the plastic and then we
Put out dry bush
use
for
the
it.
plastic to get the fire started
Dry bush.
as it melts.
Yeah man, so if you can't survive in the woods, you get knocked.
You can't survive out of Jamaica, yeah, man. Jamaica is not the place.
Hey.
I will take up the lighter.
See lighter?
Let me take the lighter. Yeah man, it,
I like it, you know?
in case man, but we just want to make sure. We have to make sure. Yeah man,
With some guys on top of it.
Alright, yeah, it good.
It good,
Yeah
man.
man, it's okay.
Let's do some bra.
Yeah.
Yeah, what they say now all day. All fire thick, no advocate.
Just accept it like it is because life is always what it is. Tomorrow is just another day.
What is life? What is life? This is life. Nature is life. Without nature, you cannot survive.
Put a fire light on your tongue. No, that's
Are we coming in here?
No,
she
come
don't
on, river.
Lucky Baba, lucky
You're
Sapa.
bad.
We in the lucky, we in the river. We in here.
I was singing the song there, Ron.
We don't know, eh? I was singing for you. Can you know you song them like, whoa.
Lucky Sapa, lucky Sapa.
Yeah man.
Okay.
What the ABC?
Rolling.
Fire! We are fire!
We are the Fire Nation.
If
Fire Nation.
on each other again.
So we're
A judge of the jungle, that man. A judge of the jungle, that man. You ever see gods must be crazy.
Yeah, man, with my boy. When you see that, you man, you got to see the two of them. You man got to see the two of them.
You know what I say? The poo-poo. That's some shit.
Shitey. The poo-poo. Shitey. Gods must be crazy. Shitey.
Yep. Yeah man, at night we are there till night. You never know?
You are past.
Remember say who want to see the skinny up in here for not stay till the night? We
don't see skinny.
Listen.
I'm past the tree with this one at a time.
Yeah man, it's the same way.
So you look push up so now.
I know good.
I type I didn't make the pass me.
Yeah man.
Guys, come on.
Yeah, so if you read
staying up here in the night with camping, right?
You're
not camping with us?
Yeah, so if you read so walk with me a little bit.
Yeah. Come in.
Yeah man, so we're gonna read the history of this place. You want to read it? Alright, so you're going to read it and make sure you read it clearly. And you have to interact with the people in too. So that means you have to turn around and that. No, they come. Me do it. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you about the history of this place. So the printed circuit cave. Alright, so the printed circuit cave is one of approximately 300 caves in Jamaica's cockpit country. Yes, we're in the cockpit country, people.
But no, so you are mad man. You should have left out that part there because we don't ask the people them say how we tell we say if they know the place. We can't tell them the place.
Oh well, it done gone bad already. Unless we now got include that in the shop. But anyway,
properly in depth.
Yes, so it's known worldwide for its karst limestone topography and high species endemism. Lying south of the mountain river in South Trelawny, this cave boasts 10 entrances which access to a 2-mile-long complex of dry and active passages. So today we're gonna explore this package.
Billy.
Yes.
Chocho.
So let me continue to give you the history of this. So historically, the Maroons in the 18th century sheltered in these caves. Yes, right there in these caves, right? They to craft their war strategies against British soldiers whom they fought successfully to reinforce their freedom and establish independent statehood. Locally, this cave is known as John Fowden Cave. Right, so this is the John Fowden Cave, people. Legend has it that John Fowden practiced Obia.
Hey, man.
Practice Obia.
So you see a long time Obia there in Jamaica and I know them youth are saying
yeah, because he come from Africa.
Yeah, understand.
Africa.
It's in our culture.
In our culture, bro.
So John Fowden practiced Obia inside the cave, calling on the crocodile to do his bidding. Yes, people were going inside the crocodile cave. Right, there might be several crocodiles inside, but we're not scared. Oh my God! Same way, yes, you don't know we do it or don't know we do it. We just do it same way. Alright, so continue with the history.
So we do it when we're in Jamaica. We do it and put, this is roasted yam, guys.
Yeah. Watch it for you. I would them a blaze down.
Call root.
Fire.
Yeah.
Root of fire.
We not function, but we bring not function properly right now. We just keep on talking and not get to the real point.
Where phone is from?
Yeah, man, we are roasting yam. So this is called yam. And we are roasting roast yam.
With some fire stick.
Yeah.
This one crocodile in there.
Yeah, man. Yo, right, you know what I know my ancestors them tell me. Yo, me see one crocodile on our place.
Where's the one rolling?
Yeah.
Which says it?
It's one crocodile.
So what seem to?
Yeah, man, the ancestors say, yo,
Yeah.
we don't make up too much noise and then hit.
Push them. Okay, guys. So we don't want to make too much noise because the time us.
Yeah, man, they say if you make up too much noise, I'm going to hang with.
So we have
to
to
quiet,
guys, we have to keep it quiet and minimum.
Yeah.
Okay, so tone down with the vocal, okay guys? So we're going in the cave, but we're roasting lamb. Guys, this is what roast lamb, not that lamb. Not this roast yam, guys. That's this, not
no,
this roast yam.
No, never that.
I guess what? Yo, there's someone if you give them piece of yam to you, no.
If that can't really share, no.
No. Tell your ancestors if we don't.
If we are going to broke rule of that, the rule of we are going to broke food.
You can't go in a cave if you don't give them piece of yam.
Water. We have to drink water because we are going to dehydrate. No man, water. We have to dilute the Pepsi. Guys, I'm diluting the Pepsi because Pepsi is too sweet, guys. So anybody know Pepsi personal? Tell Pepsi. Yes, so I have to dilute it with water.
Alright.
Yes, guys, we have to make. Remember, guys, to dilute the water.
Health is wealth.
The Pepsi with water.
I will teach you to start fire so fast.
Well, you know, growing up, I learned to burn down several houses.
Jesus!
Yes, so I had to get the experience because I really, yes, so I had to learn.
Give me no man.
We have saltfish.
We have to find life, guys. There's life in the cave. Jungle. We're gonna catch a jungle.
See one more the curl over this way. See, catch him fast.
Me tell you, see the barrel on top.
No, them plan,
No, you have to show them the slippers first.
Yeah?
You have to show them the slippers.
No man, you do that man, walk with your slippers.
Walk with the slippers.
But you never say slide the body.
No man, walk in your slippers, walk in your slippers.
Yeah?
I told you what on soldier, let me try.
Hold up. Alright, so we're in the hunt for crayfish, aka shrimp. There's a lot of them in this habitat. They're really caught. 2 of them inside there, look at them. 2 of them, they're very small, not very large. But we have them none the same.
You see one? One just move that one. Yeah, and one here so too. Show them in that cup. Show them. Yeah. Yo, we don't move first. If you see 2 over there move now.
Rolling. Let me have that light, please. The light. Yeah, let me have it. Because I can't see.
Big carrot. But you have one by your head.
No man, at this moment.
Oh, come on, wait for
Rolling, enough, forward the rolling. Yeah, come in quickly, people, because them are moving. Now. Come in, we need to do it fast. Come in. Yeah man, you're good man, we got you. Come, hold on and come down. You're good man, we got you. No man, just come. Take off his zipper, let me zip us up there. Take off his zipper.
The king can put in the water, so when they come down, you take up it. Because we don't must
come back, we don't must walk back.
Yes.
The truth. Let him go. Let him go run. Yeah, come down. When next zip us, 1 foot, me see him up.
1 foot in
Yeah.
Come down here.
Alright, only 1 foot. Hold on for me. Let it go. No man, let it go. Let go of the rope. Trust me, yeah?
Skinny soda. Don't mind. Listen. Focus on kitchen. This is grab him. Grab him. Oh fuck. You miss him?
To blast.
To blast! Yo, see the next one down there.
Wake up. Put him down.
See the next one right yesterday.
People, look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so we have found food. Share them.
Wait, I want them when they sell past.
Show me again.
Yeah.
They
Skinny. To blast.
It's right there. It's going over there. Oh, in your hand.
Skinny supposed to bite.
Grab him.
Nah, bite him man. Bite him if he bite.
It's getting ready.
See.
See me? Skinny, my back up. Back away from my girl. Kitchen Skinny. Kitchen Skinny, grab him. Skinny for choo-choo, got him.
I got him.
Oh my God. We break off his feet, but we are going to eat him anyways. Put him in the cup. It's so beautiful.
Guys, look.
Quite big.
Beautiful.
In the cave. There's life in the cave,
There's
guys.
life. We can live in here. Put him in.
You can survive in the cave.
Behave yourself.
We can get some nice crayfish to
Yo,
eat.
guys, listen. If anything in the cave that tried to attack you guys, I have a weapon.
We have a weapon. We have a pocket knife.
Yeah, we have a knife.
It's so beautiful.
I have a
You seen
weapon,
it?
guys.
Yo, first time I catch crayfish now
I
there.
have a weapon, guys.
Yeah?
Anyone tried to attack us in the cave,
If I have a crocodile.
Yo,
I have a knife.
them pretty not you. Pretty.
If I have a crocodile lion.
Never want to cook him, bro.
You are dead because you can't feed him. What?
No, it's a creature.
What that?
It's a creature. Guys, can you see it?
No man, that's a stalagmite.
Oh,
That's a stalagmite, yeah. That's a stalagmite.
Yo, we have run that side.
Where are we going? Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to Choo-choo.
Oh, you mean the one straight road? One straight road.
You guys are seeing.
Alright, there.
Come here. Camera. We are doing this big. We are not trying to walk. This is a point of survival, guys.
Ready?
I'm going to save the match light.
Next. Broke it. Now what because I'm come in, camera. Come in.
Yo, Rolling. Fix your shoes up for me, please.
Hold on. No one you want. Let's go. Help me though, because he have the camera. Come through. Hold on. Alright. In the bike, me dog.
Alright, hold on. How deep in this one?
The feet, bro. Him can't go.
Go, we are do. You can't come here. Give me a son of stairs.
Alright, look. Go up there so with your bro.
Never put him back.
No, wait up there. Both on the wait up there. Alright?
We are giving him one light. Come and put him.
Yeah, man, we have one light already, man.
No, that means that one on off to stay with them. They can't stay. No, they can't stay by themselves.
You stay then.
I have a camera. Unless me stay, but when I'm rolling, you have to take a camera.
Now go around, so.
No, but
He must stay. Who are stay?
we can't leave the kids.
Where's the stay?
We cannot leave the kids.
Alright, hold it. Me a grow on this. Hold this. We should have left the phone in a minute, not true? Yeah, me a forward skin.
John Star.
This is nice, dog.
Yo, if you don't want to miss this phone, skinny, hold it. Now give you all the phone and everything with what you give her.
Well, wait, them can't forward. In a deep, them can't. Hey, come in. In a deep, come. It's not deep, man. Oh, no, rolling fast this video.
Should we not do them dogs?
No, them good stuff. Go over here, bro. Let me hold on with this
Good
side.
dog.
You hold on this side that you can hear.
Give me headphone like that deep.
Make sure you're on, bro.
Guys, this is no joke. We're in the cave. And this is no joke.
This is so exciting. I remember like 7 years ago when I came, it wasn't this much beautiful because I couldn't see so clear. And now I'm experiencing it again. It's so amazing. Like this is such a beauty. I would love the world to experience this.
How much views you want for this one?
1 million. I'm going to 1 billion.
Yeah, views. Alright. You see, for this week, we want about 200,000 views. And you see, for this month, we want about 1 million views. So share this, people. It won't happen if you do not participate and help us to achieve our goals.
Tell a friend to do this. Friends in Prolong HD there. Please remember to subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified. And remember to watch us. That's how we make our revenue. So
Yeah, skinny stuff.
Cho.
Yeah,
we're going through.
Guys, look, show them what it look like.
More safe crayfish in the kitchen.
Roger, have one light.
Roger, no, I ain't something.
Well, give me like. Roger, give me like.
Turn it to the white skin. Turn it to the white.
Oh,
Yeah, we need more crayfish.
Slow down. We need to see more crayfish. Because it comes from fully.
You know, guys, this is how we do it, guys. We're giving an exclusive view in the Trolong Park. Yeah. Yeah. True. Guys, we're in Jamaica, Trolong, in a cave. Crayfish? Okay. Shh, keep it quiet, guys. Keep it quiet. Okay? Remember. There's rat bat.
This is a rat bat. Wait.
Crayfish. Catch him.
Rolling
afraid of him. Guys, rolling afraid of the crayfish. It's a species we get. Where's the rat bat? Guys, there's a rat bat, guys. Look.
Rolling dice is really working at the crayfish hunting, guys.
Rat bat, guys.
You should hold the camera more often.
See my fly?
Butterfly.
Fly about. It's deep. It's a hole. One hole there, guys. Careful, guys. There's a hole. Guys, careful. There's a blue hole.
There's a hole there?
Yeah. Careful, guys. Careful.
it's right over there. That's where my ancestors hang out and smoke the weed.
Careful, guys. There's a blue hole. You don't want to fall in the water, guys. Wait. Hey. Shh. Careful. There's a blue hole over there, guys.
Yo, skinny, hold on.
Okay, hold the camera, guys. I'm gonna go over there. I'm the guy that sampled the steps before we go, guys. I'm the guy that sampled the steps, guys.
Hold it.
Yo, job happy.
Skinny, you can control it.
Guys, we're doing a camp. August, guys. We're doing a camp. Anywhere in the world you are, in August, we're going to set the gate. We're doing a camp. Camp with us.
One HD. One skinny
camp in August, guys. So if you want to camp with us in August, come on. Anywhere in the world you are. Mali.
Yeah. To blast. So for true. Prolong HD. Yo, we are camping in August. Yeah?
Check in.
True.
And camp with the team because it's going to be a dream come true. Believe.
So we're showing you what we're going to do in August, guys. This is what we're doing in August, guys. Come on down.
Come on, then stand up.
What's that over there? Guys, what's that over there?
Actually, I want to do it.
You bought them on Friday.
A coconut that way?
Yeah. I want to pass now.
What coconut are doing?
They flew them.
Okay, because what your phone, brother? Because I'm 225.
I took phone, I bought.
Yo, at them place and my ancestors chill out, you know.
Shitey.
More shitey. I can't shitey.
Shy
You have to look deep, you know.
You have to look deep. Supposed to put on your head.
No, we ain't have to look deep. I'm on that potato.
Guys, on the watch the light. We need light to cover.
Oh, we need light to cover.
Roger, you alright, man. Know yourself, man.
Oh, a 2% minute pan.
Wait, no.
2% minute pan. Yo. Ennis, a 2% minute pan.
Roger, easy, man.
A 78%.
We not make nothing to you, man. Know yourself.
A 43%.
We told him we're not.
We sit back left up some brother.
Fierce the pads.
Yeah, right down like this. Yo, bro, like I can't do that, brother. Yo, me not know what's the pads.
Now watch your life.
Yo, on better have light can come back out of this year. Yeah.
Yo, Ennis. Yo, brother, when you say I'm going to come here, we want to mash up here.
That's it. That's the last of it.
Yo, Skinny, I have crayfish master now. Go and catch them. Yo, don't dirty up your water.
Stop the crime.
Don't dirty up your water. No, 8 minutes left on this.
Yo, bally.
See guys, we're still in the cave, guys.
Coming out now, you know.
Set the light better.
Oh, don't shine in the camera.
Guys, see, we barely can get out, guys.
You have to squeeze.
Take time, team. Take time. Check out the pocket.
See, we are still in the cave, guys.
True.
Let's go.
Give me some light.
Jaja, please guide me. Nike, be darky. We are going on stage show.
Yeah, man, so
we have a cup full of crayfish.
A cup full of crayfish.
Beautiful adventure.
Shrimps.
Yeah?
Watch him. Bite you.
To blast. Are we dinner this?
Yeah, make us see one.
Crayfish.
Make us see one.
Ball.
Man, I like your friend. Let's go.
No, we're not getting next time, Roger. Your ball, Roger.
Yeah.
Friend.
Hey, guys.
The biggest one.
So we're in the cave for true. Guys, remember in August, we're doing a camp. So anywhere in the world you are, come on guys. Log into PROLONGHDFilm@gmail.com. This is where we're gonna be in August, guys. So if you wanna know more information, come on down. In the email, guys, leave in the comment section, say Jamaica, Chilani. We're doing the cave trip in August, guys.
Yeah?
See, we're going through a small, see? This is no joke, guys. I'm the last person behind, guys. Oh, it's dark.
Oh, me, I'll come out there now. Go on.
Guys, see? Your boy Skinny is here, guys. Kratos.
Me a boat, man.
See, guys, we have to go to a small hole, guys. Boy Skinny is not taking no chance. We're going straight through, guys. Okay, guys. I'm on my knees, guys. I'm on my knees. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Guys. Guys, something on my feet, guys. But I'm still going. Guys, see? No light, guys. And I'm still here. Guys, no light. But I'm taking my time, guys. This is the experience you guys gonna get in August, guys. So come on down, guys. We're doing a cave trip. We're doing a cave trip, guys.
Hey! Come on!
It's tiring, guys. I'm almost there, guys. Guys, let's do it. Kratos. We're in the cave.
That was an adventure, man.
Yes, guys.
I tell you.
Yo, I cut up like mackerel thing cut me up. Me dehydrated. Look what I'm licking.
What's up there? Something I drop.
Why?
something if we drop.
Guys, we're in the cave. 4 minutes leave on the camera. So guys, see you out when we get out. Okay guys? See you when we get out, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Until next
Prolong HD will tune into you guys. Oh,
okay, guys.
On your flip side.
See shrimps and they don't see them. See them.
Yeah.
Still bad, bro.
No, a lobster.
Video.
Crawfish them.
Get some shot.
See, you can catch them. Remember, say you have black videos, you can catch them. So catch them.
Crawfish them.
What I'm saying is water.
This is exclusive, guys.
Okay.
Well, I mean, if you turn the ice up on this side, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw it.
You wet up your shoes.
Yo, by us. See?
See, right, listen to that.
So the higher the ice, the more light, don't you?
Yeah, more light.
I didn't see him on crowd do what.
No, see, 4 days outside the ground gun me so.
What you like there, water? What you like there?
Skin, see one day, see? You see skin?
You recording this, guys?
Yeah?
Skin, see, catch it.
We find life, guys. There's life in the cave. Jungle. We're gonna catch a jungle.
See one more they curl up like this, you see? Catch him fast.
Me tell you, you see, them are real on top.
Yo, them blind, you know, them now.
Catch him now.
Skinny, go show camera,
Alright, where I come down there.
Yo,
No one comes skinny.
So, guys, see?
we have caught a running.
That time, card, you confuse when too much at all.
Alright. Yeah, man, that's a good thing.
Oh, we are good.
So, we're here in Jamaica.
Hey boy, you piss. Hey, I'm a piss for me. What are you doing, manners? Boy, you piss for me.
Guys.
Yo, what is that? What
Move, dog.
Look at the rock bat over there. You see the rock bat?
Skinny, we go to the end. Yo, look here, I'm so catch crayfish.
I'm me for sale.
Catch, shine the camera in this. Right, I'm going to go water with this. Don't know some way catching crayfish and a beautiful adventure, I believe Prolong HD crew out here.
Yeah? So for true.
Sharp man, the palm back.
Hey, Jab, hold it in phone. Put it over here.
Shining like God.
Yo.
No, me have a tree
You don't know
phone.
music camera, so you're recording. Need just press it. Make him use the phone, you know.
Alright, Jab, hold them phone.
Well, you're good man, me have me. I'm an I say I can't drop out.
Jab, where they are hold the phone, mommy.
Record. Yeah.
Give me.
This is me.
Free.
Listen to what me say. Trust me.
Yo.
Listen to see what we are. See we are.
Roger, your sister be over there, yo?
Give me Prolong.
See,
Oh,
from
yeah.
you can't drop, alright? No, man, no.
Roger, shine light, McKinsey. Roger, look.
Roger, listen.
Me I'm tired,
So we are going to pass.
Guess what? You go hold
To that.
Yo, so guys, this is Jamaica. We're going in the cave, guys. If you want to see us go back the second time and you want to try, guys, we're doing a camp in August. So August, guys, we're doing a camp, guys. So anywhere in the world you are, in August, we're gonna set the date. We're doing a camp. So anywhere in the world you are, let's camp with us and explore this cave, guys. Come on down to Prolong, Jamaica.
One thing, Prolong HD.
True.
One skinny between.
We're camping August, guys, so if you want to camp with us in August, come on down. Anywhere in the world you are. Mali, Malta, Africa. We're camping in August, guys.
Yeah, we are camping in August. Yeah?
Check in.
Camping August. And we're
Because
giving
it's going to be a dream come true.
Okay, guys, so we're showing you what we're gonna do in August, guys. This is what we're doing in August, guys. Come on down with us.
Oh yeah. We have to take
What's that over there? Guys, what's that over there?
That's a rat bag.
Actually, you have all like Jamaica.
He bought them a fry.
A coconut that way.
Yeah. I want that one with parsley. What coconut that is?
Shy tea?
More shy tea. Man can't shy tea.
She wanna wear my hat, guys, so look.
No one rock man. Shy
Yes, look deep. Supposed to go back and yam them bolo. What yam them?
Oh, guys, you're watching the light life? We need light to go back. Oh!
Oh, we need light to go back.
Guys.
Yo! On! A 2% minute plan. 2% minute plan. Yo! Ennis, a 2% minute plan. This one, yeah. Roger. This is the 70%. Stop fearing. Everything is fine. I 43%. They don't need it to
Roger, we told him we're not turning back, you know. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come from my back, boy. Come from my back. We're not turning back. We told him we're not turning back.
Yeah, right now all this. Yo, Prolong, I can't do nothing, brother. Yo, me not know what's
We now watch a battery life?
Yo, me not know.
Hold the phone.
Yo, you know, say a big foolish snack keep on go down.
Yeah?
Yo, Ennis, yo, brother, all this here, man, come in and be one for my shop here at all.
That's it? That's the last of it?
Yo.
Shh.
Ennis, mate up. Don't you, brother. I'm not afraid, so.
We can try, please.
See, both parts, you can't like.
Come here, what is it?
No, chew me every phone, then, bro.
I dropped with Prolong phone a while ago. Yo, Prolong, all this here, man.
Yo, look, they wanna go further, but August we're doing a camp, guys. We don't have enough battery line. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Go on, we're going back. Go on. Come on. Let's see light.
Yo, are you making a physical and water? Brother, go turn back of physical.
And come back. See, guys, we're in the cave, guys. Guys, see? We're in the cave, guys. Yo, then go left way. Me bombshell. You ready? No, me and travel. We not afraid. I'm here alone and travel. Me alone travel. Then what if you like that? You be like gun. Like gun. Come on, guys.
Yo, guys, 2% for me watch you pop. And the man want go further. 2%, see there, brother. 2%. See there. 2%. You see 2%?
Come on, let's go, guys. In August, we're doing a camp. So anywhere in the world you are, leave a comment and tell us, let's camp in Jamaica. You stay with mommy? You stay with mommy?
Come in. Take good time to go back. Where's the bus? When the slippers weird around, so.
Somebody hold the phone. Call the phone.
Jesus, please.
Yo, you're choking money.
You will try. You see it with the let's if you steer.
Stop choking, man.
The whole team out here. Yo, man, I suck this. Skinny stone and rough. Rolling. I don't want to put the dog phone now. Yes, when you make sure give me it.
catch some of the scene.
Catch him. It's a beautiful adventure, but catch him, and it's afraid of that, you know. Me out from me say you move to me, no say afraid of that. No, if you hold him on him back. Yo, a style, you know, grab him, brother. Afraid the man, afraid of crayfish then.
What's the problem in there?
Go and roll in dice, so come on. The man chunk. Next time we are come, we are left him. We are left you too, because you covered too. Beautiful people. One team, one dream out here. Beautiful limestone, the water dripping off of it.
Yo, it's either some people are going to sit down up here or some crocodile or something.
Kratos. We don't want to last here, no? Yo, skinny dirty like in there. Yo. I wonder if they think we last, brother. I wonder if they might look for we.
Well, the camera footage finished?
No, me still a run. Me still a run, you know? Me a run for the iPhone. No more send me calls, brother. Come on, send me. All JJ want to afraid about the battery man dead. And the man them not even believe me.
Wow, that's great.
Yo, me they have pre that, you know.
The spirit plays a mark is back.
The mark is back there. But we not last thing. What you want last? To blast. And Roger there.
Yo, he's doing them rough your fart. There's a rat back, people.
Bite me, watch.
Take time, man. Make you wait for we.
Yeah, she can wait or she want to go front. You know what this water be on the water.
True, man. Ready, sir? Wait. Okay, stand up. I'm back out here deep skinny, man. My balls them shrink up.
You're so deep down.
Skinny. Hey, come on, come on. Yo, we are problem. Yo, we are problem. Yo, Skinny, go for a jam, yo, brother. Yo, Wallace.
Yo, let me. Yo, you're a lion king. Like that work, like that.
You know, say I Judas. Lights on.
Guys, you want to come in here?
Yeah, we go get some jungle before we cut the car, so we see past them, you know. Skinny. I may have to go up on the gun. Yo, slow. Wait.
What are the two black?
What is?
What on there?
Let's walk this in Skinny.
Yeah.
Come in with me. Quick.
You want to go?
See what they Skinny, help me put it in.
Sing.
Come here. See, just what? Swinger.
See, too big one there, that's
In here. Lock your door. Damn you, man. Woo. Come. What is?
What on there?
Let's walk this in. Skinny.
Yeah.
Come in with me. Quick.
You want to go?
See what they
Skinny, help me put it in.
Sing.
Come here. See, just what? Swinger.
See, too big one there, that's
In here. Lock your door. Damn you, man. Woo. Come. See camera.
In the club. Not the club, the cave.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep a party in summer.
Care party. Party in I care.
One more light.
We can have the 2 lights now.
Get Skinny, take one light in front of
Hey, guess what?
But one, 2 lights.
me dash way.
In the club. Not the club, the cave.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep a party in summer.
Care party. Party in I care.
One more light.
We can have the 2 lights now.
Get Skinny, take one light in front of
Hey, guess what?
But one, 2 lights.
me dash way.
Skinny, shh. Come on now. Alright, we are going to 2, Skinny, touch. We are
Yes.
Stop.
They are hunting crayfish. So we're in the midst of the cave, deep in the cave. The cave run about 2 miles long, and we're exploring this cave. So it's the first time the Prolong HD. Hey, room 2 blast.
Skinny, big niche, you see?
Yes, so it's the first time Prolong HD crew is actually.
Skinny, God bites your man! God bites your man! Believer! Catch him. True. Come on.
Send him alone, keep going.
How much percent?
What is it?
This left 50.
Come on, now, Skinny. Take one light.
What kind of
Skinny, shh. Come on now. Alright, we are going to 2, Skinny, touch. We are going to Yes. So they're hunting crayfish. So we're in the midst of the cave, deep in the cave. The cave run about 2 miles long, and we're exploring this cave. So it's the first time the pro. Hey, remember two blast. Skin, big niche, you see? Yes, so it's the first time Prolong HD crew is actually.
Skinny, catch God by Javon! God by Javon! Believer! Catch him. True. Catch him. Come on. Let's go. Send him alone, keep going.
How much percent?
What is it?
This is 50.
Come on, water. Keep on the light. Water.
This is an adventure, a never before filmed adventure by Prolong HD Film. Yes, sitting right here.
Guys, in August 2023, we're doing a camp in Jamaica. Anywhere in the world is.
Hold on, Skinny. Skinny, do you read, Skinny?
Yo, Jay.
No.
Yeah?
Skinny, hold on.
The true.
Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Yes. I put them down, yes. Yeah. Rolling, me not see you rolling. Where they? Yes, so we have the crew.
See shrimps and they don't see them. See them there.
Yeah.
Still back, bro.
No, a lobster.
Video.
Crawfish them there.
Get some shot.
Skinny, can I get them? Remember, say you have black when you say can I get them? So catch them. Crawfish them.
What I'm saying is water.
This is exclusive, guys.
Okay.
One of them, I need to turn the ice up on this side, right?
Yes.
Ice out.
You wet up your shoes.
You know, by yourself.
How is that, bro?
You see?
See, right, listen to that.
So the higher the ice, the more light, don't you?
Yeah, more like.
I didn't see him on crowd go up.
No, see for the outside run down this up.
What you like there, water?
Skin, see one day. You see skin?
You recording this, guys?
Yeah?
Skin. Skin, see, catch it.
We find life, guys. There's life in the cave. Jamba. We're gonna catch a jamba.
See one more they curl up right this way. You see him? Catch him fast.
Me tell you see them are real hunter.
Yo, them blind, you know, them now.
Skinny, catch him now. Show him camera.
Skinny, go show camera. Alright, where I come down there.
Yo,
No one comes skinny.
So, guys, see?
we have caught a
Running. You pass me camera.
There's a species.
Sorry, 1 second.
There's a jamba.
Time, card. You confuse when too much at all.
Alright. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful.
Oh, we have a
So, we're here in Jamaica.
Hey boy, you piss pa. Hey, I'm a piss pa me. Whatever you know, man. Hey boy, you piss pa me.
Guys.
Yo, what is that?
move, dog.
Look at the rock pot over there. You see the rock pot?
Skinny, we go to the end. Yo, you can't really say catch crayfish, dude.
I'm me for sale.
Catch, shiny camera, you know, this. By the way, walk you out of the circle. Don't know some catching crayfish and a beautiful adventure, believe Prolong HD crew out here.
Yeah? So for true.
Sharp man, they palm back.
Hey, Job, hold it in phone. Put it over here.
Shiny like God.
Yo.
No, give me a bit tree
You don't
phone.
know if music camera, see record. Please, just press it. Make a music phone, you know.
Alright, Job, hold him phone.
Well, you're good man, me have me. I'm Andy, I say I can't drop off.
Job, where they are hold the phone, the mommy, hold this.
Record. Yeah.
Give me.
Free.
Listen.
Listen.
Trust me.
Yo.
Listen to see what we are. See we are.
Roger, your sister braver than you?
Give me Prolong.
See, from you can't drop, alright? No, man, no.
No, put it down. Roger, shine light, McKinsey. Roger, look.
Roger, listen.
So we go pass.
Yes, sir. You go hold.
Turn off the camera, because we are starting.
No, it's not Lucky, guys. Lucky didn't come in the cave, guys. Lucky didn't come in the cave, guys. Lucky didn't come in the cave, guys.
I was washing, guys.
Lucky didn't come in the cave, guys. Guys, look.
And you have to cook on your garden.
How we did
Hold on. So this is what I ain't there. Big bomb shot.
Yo, I will catch him out with the animal, man. We don't use nothing catch him.
on to go on, yeah?
True. So guys, this is the ending shot, guys. And we want to say,
Yo, see treasure you go find. And this we go find, yeah?
guys, look, guys, see? Out the cave, remember in August, guys. So how was it? How was it, guys? How was it?
Beautiful adventure.
How was it, guys? See? We went in the cave. Okay,
One more.
come on, guys, listen. We went in the cave and it was adventurous. We love it, guys. It was amazing. We get part.
I don't know catch him now.
On the big part.
If you got one shrimp, don't get one we have to come here as a student.
We have to boil this. So guys, we have to boil this first, guys. Let's boil it. It tastes like cave, guys. Cave, guys. We went in the cave and there's more. Remember, guys, in August we're gonna do a big trip, guys. So booking. So let us go in the cave once more again in August, guys.
There's a golden treasure in the cave. Look what I found. I found the little pieces of silver, so we're gonna go deeper to find the gold next time. Yeah?
All I wanna go in a cave.
Yo, listen to me.
You like shrimps?
Me not frightened for no shrimps. Me not them shrimps until they cook.
That is it.
True.
Alright, Lucky, here now.
Yeah.
Who going there, Kiev?
No.
We're not afraid. Go on. Give us the pass.
Go on in there.
Watch out. Next time we not wear no jeans. Next time we can't wear jeans.
Yo, brother.
He pants heavy, you go. You have 2 blast. He pants heavy, 2 blast. Yeah, man.
Give me one. I want board.
Rocky now.
Yeah, not come and go share it. I can ask people. Yes, them favorite people, yeah?
Yeah, more. I won't say they no name bone.
You have to share it because they want it.
Where I watch me for? Get thee behind me!
I'm not crocodile.
It's crocodile.
Hello, I know say hello video.
Love it, everybody.
Yo.
True.
They're ready for them.
The boy say love it, everybody.
Yo.
Push up the fire.
Story problem, my boss.
Oh! We don't want to spectator on the fire. We don't want to spectator on the fire. Sit down.
Yo, remember me?
Guys, remember, who not going to kill?
I want to clear fishing.
No, wait.
The hunter.
Well, job.
One team.
Rolling.
How much are them?
Kratos.
Yeah, man, who are we catching fish?
Me like you, but see what I'm
We
working.
not catch crayfish come from flat.
Yo, listen, man.
Crayfish.
Yes, what that's the pot of
Crayfish.
Yo, yes, what that's the pot of What that's the pot of wild?
Butter, baby.
Clear fish.
Yeah, that man, bro. Funny, you know.
I'm more than one pot we have, so why do we for one fire?
One pot.
One pot.
One pot.
No man, one next.
Yeah, pot of bubble.
Tight.
One pot.
And there goes Ennis, the legend. He's going to use the. No man, this no. Jeez. God, God, him wanna use the butter box as fuck. Legend, man, me I tell you. You never see this before. Never. No. He wanna use the butter box as fuck. You never see this before, man. Yeah, man. Real legend, man. I tell you. Legend. Yeah. Jaja, God, man. What you want?
Give me some more rice.
Yo, I said my complaint. Yeah, well, I'm going 18 I complain.
I may say.
That's the one we done. We go back for next tour and second tour like you. Yeah. Chop suey.
Come on, give me meat and Roland.
Look what I do there, okay? Night pot. You want them to cook? Ali.
Wait now.
Ali, you sit to the camera.
You're loving me accent.
Yes, guys. So, if you forward to Jamaica, you know, if you get the nice. What is again? Saltfish? No, well, what is the name? Yeah, if you just forward to Jamaica for the nice salt mackerel, alright? Is it? Wood fire with each pan? Is it? Yeah. No gas, no stove. Yes, sir, engine. Legendary! Yo! Jaja! They can't chat to you. What them job? Nah, man. He want plate of pot cover.
Watch you think, ma'am?
Jaja! Knife! No, man. Knife! Them never see this yet. Knife, you know?
I'll pepper me number.
Knife! Jesus!
Mix up this little bit. Alright, guess what?
Hold on, that's mine.
This, I feel.
Yeah, man. Alright. Hold on. Put it on the surrounding. Yeah, be camera. Skinny. Alright, so Skinny, you say I'm going.
Guess what?
What is your set the fans, man?
Guys, my food.
Get something, you know. We play run out star.
Alright, well. And the crepe out that, you know? Out of that. I use it.
This is something function.
You see I'm going now, Skinny.
Through my eyes, so
See, man, I defend your food.
I'm fuck.
You want to defend your food. Yes, guys. We don't know fox how we hand we have to go use. You know that, guard? Yeah, man, hand we have to go use, man. And there goes Ennis, the legend. He's going to use the. No, man, this. No. Jeez. God, him wanna use the butter box as fuck. Legend, man, me I tell you. You never see this before. Never. No. He wanna use the butter box as fuck. You never see this before, man. Yeah, man. Real legend, man. I tell you. Legend. Yeah. Jaja, God, man. What you want?
Give me some more rice.
Jaja. Come on. Oh, well. Come on, use one fork.
Look it.
Go back. So what was there? Give me some ready now.
You know, eat the monopod.
Yes, guys. At night, you know, see that? At night, you know, see that? Skinny are using knife. Jesus. Oh, guys, we never see this before, man.
Guys, look at this. We get piece of the bun.
Jaja. Yeah, man, if you like that, good no come from here. Yeah, man. Lucky. Jesus. You take up the legend style now. Let's see if you go on. Jaja. What do you want to go?
Body my while ago. You don't know we do it already. We do it same way all night, every day.
You know, me wish they could have seen crayfish.
We need a long time.
We need that long time.
They don't grip man, so you have to
Well, you don't know we do it already. Yeah, crayfish have to get boiled. Yeah.
He pot not even lock out the ghost on them. We are not going pot.
You give me a fuck? No man, I'm not in there.
Eat out of that, brother. Hey, hold that
Sure, they see they nearly go it before this. Guys, me go eat, so.
It's the left
Well,
hand
last thing I want to say, you know, because I close off, you know.
Lock off the stove.
Cha. Hey, hold on. Comment. I see. Comment and tell me how to turn off the stove, because we don't know if it turn here.
Make water, oil, or gas.
Oh, we turn off the stove, we don't know.
The fans don't know if you turn it off.
We don't know if it turn here.
Come alone over to no pot.
Hey, turn off a potter.
You think a man got time? And a man got time.
Now we can use oil.
No.
Yes, I see, God. Jaja, God, man. What's that one?
Give me some more rice.
Jaja. Come on. Oh, well. Come on, use an fork.
And the man is running up.
Look it.
Let's see what was there. Give me some dinner.
You don't need to burn up.
Yes,
White
guys.
rice or saltfish or